but the very hairs of your head are all numbered. Matthew 10:30. That's right, every strand on your head is precious. And like the saying goes, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Today I'm sharing my absolute favorite Caribbean-inspired hair mask for natural hair. It's a creamy, all-natural mix using just coconut and avocado. No fancy store-bought products needed. So, if your curls are feeling dry, dull, or just need some extra love, this DIY mask is about to be your best friend. Ready? Let's get into it. First up, ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, half a cup of coconut milk, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins that deeply nourish and moisturize your hair, while coconut oil and milk add shine and help with detangling. Here's the fun part. Mash the avocado until it's super smooth, no lumps. Then pour in your coconut milk and coconut oil. Mix it all together until you get a creamy, pudding-like texture. Now, start with freshly washed damp hair. Part your hair into sections and slather the mask from roots to ends, making sure every curl is coated. Massage it into your scalp too. Your roots will thank you. Once you're done, pop on a shower cap and let the mask work its magic for about 30 minutes. If you want to boost the results, sit under a warm dryer or wrap your head in a towel. After time's up, rinse thoroughly with cool water. Style as usual and get ready for soft, bouncy, and shiny curls. Seriously, your hair will feel brand new. Quick tip. Do this mask once a week for best results. And remember, everyone's hair is unique, so tweak the ingredients if you need to. Let your natural hair glow just like you. If you try this Caribbean hair mask, drop a comment and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to take care of your crown. You're worth it. Thanks for watching and remember, love your hair, love yourself.